In this step, I'm going to clip my two tax lots in my new partition from the underlying tax lot, Taxlot 600. Before having done this, I probably should have done the align tool. I'm not for the sake of simplicity, but I strongly recommend you learn the align tool so that you can stitch your partition, plat, subdivision, whatever, so it aligns better with the surrounding tax lot boundaries. I'm just going to run the clip command. So the clip command is down in divide. I'm going to select clip, and I'm going to select my two tax lots that I want to clip. They're my input features. Then I'm going to select my background features, or my target feature, which is the underlying tax lot, which is 600. Now I've got this cool hatch pattern that shows me my two are ready to go. I'm going to delete the remainder, which means I don't want to keep what's underneath those two new tax lots. And I press the clip button. At this point it's done. The clip is finished, and instead of having two overlapping tax lots, I have the single tax lot with that information removed and my two new tax lots. So again, I've got three tax lots created. The clip is done. My partition plat is joined to the tax map.